Alright, hello, my name is Reagan Wilbanks of Reagan Wilbanks Creations, and this is my little vlog or video series about my research into algae biofuels. So, as I stated in my last video, I'm going to break it up into phases, and phase 1 is algae identification. So this week I went out, and I went to a local pond here in West Texas, and I got a little jar, and I just got some water from a pond. And I brought it, took out a sample of it, I saw some green, so I put on a little slide, put it in the microscope, and I found this picture here, and this one, and then maybe one more right here. And I was able to determine that the type of algae was called Ankistrodesmus. I'll try to put the name somewhere around here, which basically it's like a unicellular. It looks kind of like needles, and it's really thin, and it's actually generally found in sewage and ponds. So I looked in the right place, and it's crazy because this is actually the same algae that I would buy whenever I was doing my student research for a local college I worked at. But yeah, I'll put some pictures up and maybe a video of the actual algae. But so week 1 I found one type of algae, and we'll see what I can do from there.